What's up guys, as we all know, Huawei Mate 50 is the flagship in the making and we continue to see new concept renders that keep us hyped all of the time. Once again, Highland DI has brought in a new set of concept renders and a video for the Huawei Mate 50 Pro that gives us a clean look at the wide notch and the other aspects of this device. Highland DI has created these latest Huawei Mate 50 Pro renders based on the past leak, and the creator also told us that these renders include a clean and a better look at the notch and the display than before. Speaking of which, Huawei Mate 50 Pro renders has a smooth display with curved edges on the left and the right sides of the screen. Huawei Mate 50 Pro is reported to come with a new notch system similar to the Mate 20 Pro and consists of a selfie camera and other important sensors for portrait and Face ID. The notch also brings a big earpiece for clear in-ear audio. The phone has round corners on all four sides and the look is elegant as compared to the previous generation of the Mate series. Meanwhile, Highland DI has mixed up some new colors such as white, olive and black to make these renders interesting, as all of these look super gorgeous featuring an aluminum frame. Coming to the camera system, the rear side has a giant circular camera bump that has X-Image camera imaging system branding. On the other side, you will get to see 4 cameras, 3 main, ultra-wide and the periscope zoom, and also a depth of field as well as an LED flash. The camera of the Mate 50 series is likely to boost a new photography experience for the consumers. I just want to mention this thing that these renders are based on past leaks and information and are subject to change in the official release. Let's see what happens in the future. That's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.